Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change the time font on our iPhone lock screen. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the new iOS 17 brought many updates which would also allow you to change the font on your lock screen. To do that, from your lock screen or from your notifications panel like this, clear all the notifications and just long press on it just like this. Then just go to customize, then just tap on your particular clock over here, right? So here you can actually choose any colors, but since you want to change the font, you can tap on that clock over there. And now here you can see we have got a preset of 4 different fonts, and unfortunately we don't have currently more than this. We only have this much font. So once they have selected a certain font, you can tap on this, tap on the done button, and now you can see the font has been changed, and now you can continue to unlock your iPhone. This way you'll be able to change the time font on iPhone lock screen. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.